to the channel, RJ Car Review. It's your boy Ricky. Neighbors having a little party today. So today we're going to do a quick maintenance wash on the Shelby. It's been sitting outside for the last 3 days. So it's been sitting outside, rain, leaves. It's that time of the year. This shit look crazy right now. So I'm doing a quick maintenance wash on the Shelby and on the daily driver. So let's take a look at the car. And I want to try out this new product, Meguiar's. Whoa, holy shit. Taking myself out. What the fuck? God damn. Alright, hold on. I'm just making a mess. Put that there for now. Alright, so I'm going to try out this Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wax. I'm always looking for something new and easy to use. You know, the easiest thing I could use for the car. Currently, what I use on the car right now is, let's just put this somewhere. A little messy over here. Gotta get my stuff cleaned up. I usually use Chemical Guys. I had the wash, the soap. I don't know where, I must have threw the bottle away. Forgot the name of it. So right now I'm using this car soap, the citrus wash and gloss. This one is okay. I had another one that worked much better. I must have threw it away. But this is what I currently use. I have the Colanite 915. This is works extremely well. This is currently on the car. So leaving it outside with the rain and everything, it doesn't really bother me because I have good protection on the car. But this is what it looks like from being outside for a couple of days. I think approximately 2 days has been outside. You can see all the leaves from the top of the garage just blowing. I have leaves, I have trees around the house. Where my landscaper is, needs to get his ass over here. But this is what it looks like right now. It looks kind of crazy. Tires, this is dirty everywhere, all over the cars. It's dirty. Same thing with the daily. The daily's been sitting outside. This is all dirty. You can see all the leaves. Build up. Same thing here. It's extremely dirty. And I want you guys to stick around because I have a surprise. So I want you guys to stick around because I have a surprise for you guys at the end of the video. Something just came in the mail. Something that I've been kind of holding off for a while. I'm sure you guys are gonna like it. It's something I could use now, but closer to summertime, I can have a lot of fun with this product that I recently just bought for the car. So let's jump into this quick maintenance wash, see how this Meguiar's stuff works. My first time using it, and let's jump into it, man. I don't want to make it too long. I don't want to make this video too long. All right, so we're gonna jump right into it and see how this product works. So here you go. This is what I use for the exhaust pipes. Works perfectly. So I sprayed the whole car. Now I'm just gonna rinse it off. Alright, so sprayed it on. Now I'm just gonna dry the car off and then see how it works. Get a closer look at it. See what it looks like. You see how beaded up the water is. Even on those hard to reach places, for it to really soak in. See it. Alright, let's look at the finishing touch. So much better. See how clean it is. Sitting outside 3 days, rain, leaves, everything. I mean, if you take good care of your car, you shouldn't have any problem cleaning it. Just a regular maintenance clean. See how clean it is. Yeah, still got some water coming down. You can see. So clean. Alright, so I'm gonna see how good this Meguiar's ceramic wax works. See how good it beads up on the car. I hate that I just washed the car, wiped it off, look real clean, and I gotta test out the product. So let's see what happens. If you guys can see that, you see how it beads up, real big balls, real nice and tight. And this pretty much just runs right off the car. See that? Just runs right off. It just runs right off. It's like a waterfall. So it's good product. Product works well. Definitely recommend it. Got my little helper right here. So what's up, Chloe? So you see it, just runs right off. Alright, so this product is proven. The Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wax works really well. Let me dry this off. All this work I did to wet it right back up. So it works really well. You can see it. I'm demonstrating how easy it is to wipe it right off. Got my big microfiber towel. Still kind of damp. See how easy that is? This comes right off. Comes right off. That's one wipe. One wipe. So maintenance is going to be easy with this product. You gotta follow me on the car, baby. Alright guys, so like I told you, I got a little special surprise for everybody. So I got this package in the mail. Yeah, this is not the special product. This is not it. So I got my car shampoo, which I ordered. Adams. Alright, so here's the real surprise. Alright. Here we go. Bang. I'm not sure if anybody know what this is, but this is a Draggy. It's a Draggy unit. Alright guys, I'm going to try to talk over the music. So it's going to be a little bit difficult. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me. But a lot of people know what this is. This is the Draggy. Basically, it's a little GPS unit that you put into the car. And pretty much it could test your quarter-mile time, 0 to 60 times, pretty much anything you want to do. Anything track-oriented.
you could possibly do with this little unit. The reason why I got it is because I went online the other day to see what was the closest track to me, near me, and the closest track was about 2.5 hours from my house, and there was no way I was going to drive 2.5 hours, roughly about 200 plus miles back and forth to go to a track and pretty much get maybe 1 or 2 runs. So I mean, obviously I don't want to be doing this stuff on the street. I'm going to try to find somewhere where I could get it done, and you know, just pretty much to get kind of an idea of what the car could do, what time it's supposed to run, how long it takes to get from 0 to 60, how long it takes to go from 60 to 100. This is just going to give me an opportunity to really, you know, get an idea on how the car performs and what kind of times I could personally get out of the car. This thing has been proven from a lot of people. They brought it to the drag strip, and it's pretty much like dead on, you know, with the times that you'll get from a professional track. All right, so stay tuned for more videos on me testing the hell out of this car with this unit. I'm really excited to do this, so stay tuned, and like always, make sure you subscribe. And I want to keep making these videos, and obviously these videos takes up a lot of time, a lot of energy. So you know, I love what I do. I love my car. I love making car videos. I love bringing content to you about this car and future ideas and things I'm going to plan to do with the car. So make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell icon for more updates. All right, so like always, y'all, I'm out, baby.